Good morning, children. Sai Ram. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well and staying safe at home. So, children, in this video, I'm going to tell you about your English project work. What materials you need to do this project and what is the topic of your English project. Okay, so children, now let's begin. So the first thing which you need for doing this project or making this project is what you need, children. You need scrapbook. You need scrapbook. Okay, I know that many of you already know that what is scrapbook, but then also I'll show you. Okay, so children, this is how scrapbooks look like. Okay, then inside this, children, as you can see, you have colorful pictures inside this. Okay, you can see it has colorful pictures inside this, like this. Okay, it has colorful pictures. Okay, children, so this scrapbook you have to use for making your project. As you can see, whatever you will write here, right, whatever you can write here, you will write here, it is easily visible, right? So you have to use this scrapbook for making your project. So after that, children, what you need is some sketch pens, okay, or sketch colors, and scale, pencil and eraser. I hope it is easily available with you all, right? So what you need one scrapbook, you need some sketch pens, and you need scale, pencil, eraser, sharpener. Okay, then children, what you have to do after this, in your scrapbook you have to write like this. In the first page or after the first page, you can write at heading, you can write project work, and then you have to mention the project work of which subject, that is English and EST. Then topic, you will write English about me and EST clothing of Uttarakhand. So this is how you have to write in the after first page. You have to write this thing in your scrapbook. Okay, I have done for you. You can see it as example. So children, this is how you have to write in scrapbook. Okay, as you can see, I have written with sketch pens, right? And it is easily visible, so this is how you have to write. At the heading, what I have written here, project work, then English and EST, subject is English and EST, then topic English about me, then EST clothing of Uttarakhand. So this is how you have to do after first page in your scrapbook. This is how you have to write. Okay, so your topic is about me, so what you have to do, children, when you will write about yourself, before that you have to paste a small photograph of yourself. Okay, that passport size photo of yourself. Okay, if that photo is not available with you, you can even draw a picture. So children, in this, as you can see, this is just an example. Okay, whatever I have written here, it doesn't mean, children, you will copy the same. Only I am giving you a hint, idea, that how you have to do this project work. Okay, so you have to write about yourself. Okay, so my name is Disha Rai. You have to write your full name. My name is Disha Rai. Then my favorite colors are yellow and blue. Only writing color name will not be enough. You have to give reason that why you like this color. Okay, you have to give reason that why you like these colors. Okay, in everything, children, you have to write reason also. Okay, so my favorite colors are yellow and blue. because yellow color gives me positive energy, freshness, and it is bright and attractive. I like blue color because it is the color of earth, sky, and sea. Okay, so this is how you have to write reason also. Write reason also. Then my favorite hobbies are playing badminton and dancing because doing this it keeps me healthy and fit and I enjoy doing it. So only writing hobbies will not be enough. You have to give reason that why this is your favorite hobbies. Okay, then my favorite foods are rajma chawal and pizza because my mom cooks for me and she makes both the food yummy. So this is how you have to give reason that why these things are your favorite. Why do you like these things? So you have to give what, children? Reason. Okay, then next is my dream is to become. So I know that every children has like so many dreams. Okay, so my dream is to become doctor because I want to treat sick people and my mother is also a doctor. Then my favorite places to visit are Malsi Deer Park and Crystal World because I like to see different animals and I also like to play in water. Then second last, my favorite books are The Blue Umbrella and The Clever Tailor. Both books are very heart touching as it keeps others happy by giving out the things that you love the most. And then last, I become happy when I read books and play with my friends. So this is how, children, you have to do this work. Okay, you will not only write that my favorite book is this and this, my favorite food is this and that. You have to give reason that why these things are your favorite. Okay, why these things are your favorite or why you like these things. So you have to give reason. Now children, what you will do, you will only use these lines, my name is, and after that you will write your name. My favorite colors are, then my favorite hobbies are. Okay, you will only use this black color sentence. Okay, you will not use this blue color sentence. You have to write about yourself. Okay, and you have to write your own. Okay, so you will only use these black color sentences. Okay, then my favorite foods are, after that my dream is to become, and then my favorite places to visit are, my favorite books are, I become happy when. So you will only use here only black color sentences and here red color sentences, and rest you will write your own. Okay, so children, what you need, the most important thing you need for doing your work, your project work, is scrapbook. So children, you can even or you can decorate this scrapbook. How you can cover this scrapbook using colorful papers, and then you can decorate it. Okay, it should look attractive. And then the most important thing which I want to tell you, that children, your all four subject work you have to do it in only one scrapbook. You need not to buy different scrapbook for doing different subject work. Okay, only one scrapbook is enough for doing four subject work, that is English, EST, Hindi, Maths. English, EST, Hindi, Maths. So you need only one scrapbook for doing all these four subject project work. Okay, so children, remember this. I'm repeating again. You have to do all four subjects project work in one scrapbook. Okay, I hope it is clear to you all. So after that you need some sketch pens and pencil eraser. Then as I have told you that after first page you will write these things in your scrapbook. Okay, project work, English and EST, topic that English about me, EST clothing of Uttarakhand. Okay, and after that, what is your topic, children? About me. About me. So before doing this, children, as I have told you, you have to paste that passport size photograph of yourself. And if that photo is not available with you, okay, so what you can do, children, you can draw a picture. Okay, you can draw picture. Then you will only write these black color sentences, only these black color sentences. Okay, you will only write this black color sentences, not this blue one. This you have to write your own and about yourself. Okay, and then here you will only write red color sentences, only red color sentences. This black one you do not have to write this. Okay, so I hope, children, it is clear to you all that how you have to do your project work, how you have to do your English project work. So children, if there will be any confusion, you can go through the video again. Okay, so children, while writing this, make sure your work should be very neat and tidy. Okay, it should look beautiful and attractive. Shabby work will not be accepted. Okay, so you have enough time, children, so do your work very neatly and properly. Okay, and it should look beautiful and attractive, and write in cursive handwriting. Okay, write in cursive handwriting. Okay, children, I hope it is clear to you all. Sai Ram.